Hi year two. I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp at home. It's really cool, but you need to get your adult to help you. So you need 2 glasses and you're going to need some bicarbonate of soda. You need to put 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda into your biggest glass. 1, 2, 3. Then you need some vegetable oil or sunflower oil, it doesn't matter. And you need to really carefully pour it halfway into your glass, but don't mix them up. And we'll stop there. Then in another little glass, you need to add some vinegar. I like this on my chips. Add some vinegar in and some food colouring. It can be any colour you like. I like pink. And then you give that a little mix with your spoon. Now, here's the sciencey bit. This is my oil and bicarb, you can see that. And this is my vinegar and food dye. And then you really carefully pour it in. And you give it a little swirl. And it will start to fizz and bubble. And it makes a really cool lava lamp. And you can watch it. You can try it with all different colours. I'd love to see yours posted on Dojo.